Oh my god.
Why? What happened?
Look at this. The price of diesel is increasing in Malaysia.
Oh my god, that's very bad. I think
Yeah.
this is due to the depletion of the crude oil actually. What are Malaysians going to do in the future regarding this?
Guys,
Why?
Yes.
What?
you know what? My research project regarding the production of biodiesel from waste cooking oil has been approved.
Wow.
Production of biodiesel from waste cooking oil. There are a few current issues which leads to the production of biodiesel. Depletion of crude oil. High cost of diesel. Negative impact of diesel on environment. Excess waste cooking oil being disposed.
As an alternative, we plan to do a biodiesel process. Filtered waste cooking oil, WCO, was collected from every housing estate every week. The first step is to heat the waste cooking oil to about 90 degrees Celsius, followed by mixing with a strong mineral acid, which acts as a flocculant clarifying the oil. This conditioning step is completed with the mixture stationing in a tank for about 10 minutes. The oil is mixed with NaOH for neutralization. Successively water is added, and the solution is centrifuged to remove traces of impurities. The washing water is then separated from the product by a vacuum flash vaporization process conducted with the oil at 116 degrees Celsius and 0.8 to 0.9 bar absolute. The oil is often sent to the process plant at temperatures between 40 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. It is also best for the oil to be filtered to ensure that no solid particles enter the biodiesel production section. During the first 80% alcohol, and the catalyst is added in the oil. Then, the reactor output stream is led to the removal of glycerin, before entering the remaining 20% of alcohol. The glycerol is separated from the methyl esters and quickly using a precipitating tank or a simple centrifugation. After the completion of the transesterification, water is added to the reaction mixture to facilitate the glycerol separation. After the glycerol separation, the mixture of the methyl esters is neutralized and then separated from impurities using vacuum distillation or evaporation, before washing with water. For the neutralization of biodiesel, an acid is added, which neutralizes the residues of the basic catalyst and separates any soap residue that can be produced during the reaction. The soap reacts with the acid, forming hydrophilic salts and fatty acids according to the following reaction. The salts are removed during washing, while the free fatty acids remain in the biodiesel. The washing water is applied to remove any remaining catalyst, soap, salt, methanol, and free glycerol from biodiesel. After washing, the water left in the biodiesel is distilled off under vacuum. Hence, biodiesel is produced.
Usage of IR 4.0 in the production of biodiesel. Waste cooking oil was collected from domestic areas by introducing an online app which has databases of WCO collection. The WCO will be collected by a truck provided by the biodiesel producer company, and there will be a partition of vegetable oil and animal fat-based oil. Residents can install the app and update the amount of WCO they have and sell the WCO through the online app weekly once. The price of the WCO is set based on the volume of the WCO stocked up by the residents. In a way, the residents gain profit by selling the WCO, and at the same time this method brings positive impacts on the environment. The payment for the waste cooking oil will be done by the industry through online payment using the application which was proposed earlier.
In order to achieve a solution in reduction of electricity consumption in this biodiesel production, a solar power-based biodiesel reactor can be installed. Commercial computer-aided design and drafting software called AutoCAD can be employed for the design of the solar-assisted biodiesel plant. SuperPro design software was also used to determine the material and energy balance. Installations of thermocouples and sensors can be installed for the generation of solar power. Solar charge controller regulates voltage and currents in the solar power system and is also called the controller. It basically regulates charging from PV panels to batteries and cuts the charging if the battery bank is full of storage.